Hello students, this is the very first lecture for the MS Excel. In this lecture, I am going to tell you about the basic structure of Excel sheet. A strip on the top having button and icons is known as ribbon, where you will be noticing file, home, insert, page layout. There are so many tabs for different relevant functions. Like these are for alignments. This is for changing the font style, size, and many more. Below that, we have this workspace area in the form of multiple cells. This A, B, C, D, this is going to represent the different number of columns. In Excel, if we have to identify column, so the names are being given in the form of A to Z and carry on further till the total number of columns, that is 16384. Yes, right. This is the total number of columns in a single worksheet. If I talk about rows, they are horizontally aligned in the Excel and they are being given number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this way. And if we go down towards the end, we will find here 10,48,576 rows in a single worksheet. So you can understand how powerful this particular database is. Here in the bottom, you can see there are sheet 1, sheet 2, and you can easily add additional sheet by clicking just on this plus button. So easy it is. And if you have by mistaken added extra sheet, just right click on the same and delete the sheet. But if you want to rename, you can go to rename and give the sheet name as practice, right? Whatever name you want to give. Now we only have to discuss these 2 points. This is known to be as a cell name C. Here I am having first cell which is from column A and row 1. That is what written over here, A1. If I go to the next one, that is become D1. If I go to here, this is from column D, row 4. So the name is D4. And the next one is a formula bar, when we will be using the formula of sum, average, count. Each and every formula is being written over here.